Meet the WOLFBOX G900 PRO Crystal 4K front 2.5K rear, voice control, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and built-in GPS. Capture everything, protect every drive. Compact, smart, reliable. The G900 Pro records ultra-sharp 4K up front and 2.5,000 in the back, connects to 5 GHz Wi-Fi for instant playback, and logs precise GPS data for location and speed. This isn't just a camera. It's your eyewitness on the road. Let's dive into the features. The 4K front camera delivers razor-sharp details, license plates, road signs, and every lane marker are crystal clear, day or night. Its advanced low-light sensor keeps colors vibrant and details sharp long after the sun goes down, so you never miss a thing. But protection doesn't stop at the front. The rear 2.5K camera provides full coverage from behind, watching your back in traffic and parking lots. Speaking of which, the built-in parking mode automatically records any bumps or impacts while you're away, giving you total peace of mind. And it obeys instantly, letting you stay focused on the road ahead. Connect your smartphone for a live view of both cameras and download important clips in seconds. The WOLFBOX app seamlessly integrates your video timeline with a GPS map, showing your exact route, speed, and location data. Installation takes just minutes. Peel and stick the mount to your windshield, plug in the power, run the rear camera cable, and insert your microSD card. You can use the standard 12-volt adapter or the hardwire kit for continuous power and seamless parking mode operation. From unexpected collisions and frustrating insurance claims to those unforgettable scenic drives, the G900 Pro captures what matters. Ready to upgrade your drive? Grab yours today. Click the link in the description to learn more and get free shipping.